Welcome to apartment renovation update number 4. Okay, so what I'm working on right now is doing this under the sink area. So I'm lining it with this liner from Dollar Tree because every kind of cleaning product, simple home product has been from Dollar Tree. It's stuff I use in my own home, so it's not just stuff that I would only use in a rental. And as you can see, near the PVC piping, near the PEX piping, that's the red and the blue, how to let you know that I know about a little bit of plumbing stuff. But near that you can see that there was a leak at one time, which is probably why they replaced it to newer plumbing. Anyway, I am putting down this liner to cover up whatever that is. And we've already washed it, so we're not just like covering it up and that's it. But this will make it way more appealing. Alright, so I know it's dark, but that's because I want to test if this light fixture works. And this light fixture was just added because the only light in this whole bathroom was up there, which you can see we still need to address. But anyway, let's see a moment of truth. Yes. So I'm working on right now cleaning the oven racks. And admittedly, this is something that I've never done in my own oven, so I can't really talk crap about them in that regard, but they were pretty bad. And this is a cleaned up one. As you can tell, it's still not all the way clean, but I'm working on it. And then the one in here is a little more nasty. Right now I'm soaking it in just water and Dawn dish soap, and I lined the bottom of the tub with a towel that was used for painting, just so that the metal doesn't scrape against the tub and create any rust marks. This scrubber, this silver one, I think it's a steel one, has been working much better. Let me show you a side by side. So this side is the cleaned up side, and this side is the side that I still have to get. And you can see it has layers of grime. And then over on this side, you can tell that it's been cleaned up. It just has some splotchy areas. The shower head needed to be cleaned, so what I did was I took a Ziploc bag and an elastic and white vinegar, and I just attached the Ziploc bag to the shower head with the elastic band, and I'm just letting it soak, and then it'll be easier for the pink bacteria mold stuff to wipe off.